Now let us see how to calculate the slope of a line joining two given points. So that means if instead of the inclination of the line theta, suppose we are given two distinct points that lie on the line, then how do we calculate the slope of the line? So let's consider some line and let us consider 2 points on it. So let's consider their coordinates to be say x1 y1 and x2 y2. Of course the line still makes some inclination theta with the x-axis. Now what do is we drop perpendicular from the 2 points on the x-axis like this, and from the first point we draw a horizontal to the other line shown. So clearly we get everywhere right angles as shown here. Now since you can definitely see that the angle theta will be made in the upper smaller triangle also clearly. Now the slope m is given by, as per definition, tan of the inclination. So that means if you consider the upper triangle, in this upper triangle the tan of theta will be nothing but this particular vertical distance divided by this particular horizontal distance. Now the vertical distance is nothing but y2 minus y1, because when we say y2 is the y coordinate, it's the total distance as shown here, which is y2, and where y1 is the y coordinate of the first point, that is nothing but this particular vertical distance y1. So clearly the remaining distance is y2 minus y1, and similarly the horizontal distance also can be written as x2 minus x1. So therefore in the triangle tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, so therefore we get slope m is nothing but y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So that's the formula to calculate the slope of a line joining any two given points. It should be noted that you can write the formula as y1 minus y2 upon x1 minus x2 also. So in other words, it does not matter which point you call as first point and the other becomes the second point. Okay. But what is important is the difference of y coordinates must come in the numerator and difference of x coordinates must come in the denominator only. Right?